Changing subjects again, if you're escaping from the cold during the wintry months, don't forget to turn off the water main before you head out. Otherwise, you might come home to a mess. Jimmy in Lawrenceville says we're not used to some of the cold temps we've had this year. We're leaving town for a few weeks, and someone suggested that we leave one pipe dripping to avoid freezing or turn the water off altogether. Is this true? And I would say yes, the answer is both of those are true. What I do at my home this time of year is in Georgia, you're required to have a shut-off valve inside the home for each of your exterior spigots. Interesting, in some other states, they don't actually require that, which I can't even understand. So turn the water off. Typically, you'll find them under a bathroom sink, the master or secondary bathroom. Turn those off. Open the faucets on the outside to let the water run out of the pipes from the valve inside the house to the exterior spigot. And honestly, I turn the water off to my home anytime I leave for an extended period of time. And the reason I do this is I had a neighbor in an old neighborhood who went away for a couple of weeks. There was a water leak from a polybutylene plumbing pipe, so it was a pinhole leak, but it ran for 2 solid weeks and nobody knew it. And it ruined their second floor. It ruined everything on the first floor. It ruined everything in the basement. It was a freaking mess. And I do not want to come home to that. So I have some people who come and help me clean the house, and they know they got to go in and turn the water back on if they're going to clean it and turn it off when they leave. I probably do that anytime I'm going to be gone for more than 3 or 4 days. Can you leave a pipe dripping, and would it solve the same problem? From a freezing standpoint, I think leaving a pipe dripping would solve problems in terms of, allowing the water in the pipe to freeze and expand. But I don't think there's any better option to turning the water off and then open a faucet to relieve the pressure and then hit the road. That is my suggestion.